How to avoid copyright on YouTube. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, you want to go ahead and use safe music only. Don't upload trending songs unless you have the license. Instead, use YouTube's audio library or copyrighted free music sites like TuneTag or Epidemic Sound. Also, film your own footage. Stock clips are fine, just make sure they are royalty free and you have usage right. But it's better if you shoot your own shot. Also, you want to go ahead and understand that fair use isn't a free pass. Adding commentary, education, or criticism can qualify, but YouTube can still flag it. Fair use is a legal defense, not a guarantee. Also, always credit, and when possible, you can ask. If you use Creative Commons material, credit it. If you're unsure, ask for permissions or skip it. Also, you want to go ahead and keep the proof. Save licenses, receipt, and email. So if you get claimed, you can fight back. And these are the way to avoid copyrights on YouTube. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.